This is L. Where's J?
Oh, K's in front. Oh, excuse me.
Yeah.
Seriously.
You don't.
Yeah. I'm just going to show you the things you have, and you tell me what it looks like.
Dickhead.
Be honest. What does that look like?
Gotta be first, mate. On that. Go on, run up his ass. Look at this dumb. You know where you fucking going, dickhead? What are you doing, dickhead?
What line are you in? Jesus Christ.
It's time for the shitbag titty fuck of the week, or maybe of the year. It's this guy.
Oh my god. I've got a dash cam, mate. Pull your fucking car over. Mate, you just drove into someone. Hey? Didn't happen. I've got a fucking camera and there's a massive dent in front of your car. Pull the fuck over. I'll call the cops. Are you kidding? You just drove into someone, mate. Pull the fuck over. Alright, I'll call the cops. That sounds better to me, doesn't it? Breaking in. I'm on the phone with the cops. I'm on the phone with the cops, mate. You drove into a car. I've got video footage of it. I've got video footage of it. I've called the police. They're on the way.
So where are you? Where?
Because you didn't stop for an accident. You hit and run. It's a hit and run.
Where are you, mate?
You can't stop. You can't. No, you didn't.
Where are you?
It's illegal to leave a hit and run. Sorry.
Okay.
We are
Where
stuck.
are you now?
I'll give you the 3 words. Just give me. You just wait here for the police. If you've called them already, then
Tell me
nothing.
where you are.
If you've called, if you have called them already, then nothing will be fine. Everything will be fine. Just give me a moment. I'll give you 3 words. Just stay where you are, mate. I'll follow you to the police station, okay? I'll follow you to the police station.
Just tell them to stay there. We've got police.
You've got a
around the
police
corner.
instruction. Talk to the police. She's on the phone right now. Talk to the cops right now. She's on the phone with me. Okay, I'll follow you. Oh my gosh.
Trying to
Surprise, motherfucker.
Or is he turning left?
Oh, there I saw your lights. There's another cop car. This guy.
Cop cars.
Yep. Got him.
You got him. Got him?
S23.
You got him?
Yeah, there's a L73 CJ is pulled up behind him with the lights on.
Police cars behind him.
Oh, now he's going to stop in the middle of the road. I'm going to go around if it's okay.
Excellent. Thank you so much for your help.
Far out. Bloody hell. There must be enough people out here or they wouldn't put it. Mate, you're in the turn lane. You can't go straight ahead from the turn lane. Oh, look at that.
It's going, dude.
It's going through the lights.
Through the red.
Oh, God.
There you go, Scotty. There's one for you on the dash cam.
You talking to me?
Oh, that's a stop sign.
Excuse me, mate. Excuse me, mate. Yeah. Oh.
What the fuck, dude? Wow.
Nice one. Toss bag.
The wheel on. I don't know why. He had it next to the garden
Yeah.
in Early Beach.
The fuck are you going? Dumb fuck.
Fucking
Jesus
amazing.
Christ. How dumb can you fucking be?
Fucking idiot.
Williamstown Road.
Really? Fucking hell, mate. Fuck. Oh, clever. Bloody hell. What the fuck are you doing? Good job, buddy.
You know what? You just made the list!
Stares him down for a few seconds. My dad starts to give him a warning about how he'll shoot if he gets any closer. But the guy doesn't even let him finish. He just started running for the stairs, right at my dad. And the look
Good morning, guys. Well, I'm here. I've got my helmet on. Got all my safety gear, ready to ride this escalator. I thought I was going to get
The fuck?
get out.
What's going on here?
Somebody walking across the road.
Cocaine's a hell of a drug.
Muckers, Gene and Paul were chiming into the chorus of I Was Made for Loving You, Baby. So many memories. And the murderer's final hurrah, an outstanding kiss-off to the code. No pun intended. Now, and overseas, the rugby union and the old gold fruit nut have blown everybody away. They've blown Bill away and everybody away. They've blown Bill away in France with an incredible performance against the European powerhouse Portugal last Monday morning. The tune as we bite into the old gold rum and raisin revolution and start chewing vigorously.
What an asshole.
Oh, fuck me. Oh, Jesus, that was a big one. Didn't see it to the last minute either. Fuck. Oh. Oh dear. Oh, fuck.
The old highway.
Yeah,
Like
nice.
through Beaky and stuff.
Nice car.
Cruella de Vil?
Could be.